Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in this JavaScript tutorial I'll discuss about load event. Load event is very useful event. So first of all I'll give you the brief idea about load event. So here suppose you want to perform something after loading a particular thing, like you have an image and after loading this image then you want to print a console message. So that time you can write image.onload event. Again another example, like suppose you want to print a console message after loading the entire document. We know the page is called entire document. So after loading entire document we want to print a console message. So that time we can write document.onload event window.onload event. So here is the many example. That means this method is the very useful method. So here I will show you the practical example. So here I will go to the HTML file and now here if image is loaded, that time I want to print the console. So for that purpose I need an image. So inside this body tag here I will add one image, right? And I'm assuming you know the basic HTML structure, how to write image. So image tag, then source. Inside this source I have to write the image path. So dot slash, and I have images folder. Inside this images folder I have two images. Among these two images I will choose the first one. By the way, you can write your own image. Now here after loading this image I want to print a console message. Okay. Here one thing, for this example, this image now I have added in the statically, like inside the body tag, but this image I can create by JavaScript as well. So here by this video you can understand how to create the dynamic image by JavaScript also. So now I will come here the JavaScript file and now I will take one variable const and the variable name is my image equals to, by the way, this variable name you can write anything and those are called element. I already said in my every videos. So I will create this image element by dynamically. Now this is the static one, right? But I will create by dynamically means by JavaScript. So document, entire page is called document. So from document I want to create a image tag. So create element, because I am creating an element, right? So it is showing in the suggestion. I will choose from here. Now parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis double inverted comma, and I want to create the image element. So I will write here image. Okay, so image is created. Now here when this image will load completely, then I want to print a console message. So for that purpose I will write this my image, this variable, because here I store my image, right? Now I'm going to show you the syntax. So here dot on load, on is the common thing for every event. So load is the event name. Okay, equals to, this is the function. So here I will write function, then parenthesis, then curly braces. Okay, so when this image will be loaded, so that time I will print a console message. So console dot log inverted comma, inside this inverted comma I will write image loaded successfully. Whatever message you want to add, you can do that. Okay, so now this is done, and now here you can see I have created only the image tag, means this one only. Now I have to add the image path, right? So here I will add the image path. So this my image dot source, right, equals to, and here I will just copy this image path and I will paste here. Okay, so this is done, and now this image is inside this body tag. So by JavaScript I have to add this image here, right? So here I will write document, because this body tag also inside the document. So document dot body, and here I want to append, right? I want to append this my image. So here I will write append child, then here I will copy this variable and I will paste here. Okay, now this image is not required because same thing I have created by JavaScript. I will remove that one. Why I am creating by JavaScript? Because this will be a easy to explain, right? That's why. Otherwise nothing you have to, otherwise there is no reason to create this image by JavaScript. Okay, so now I'll save and I'll go to the browser and I'll open console. See, you can see this image is loaded, right? So I'll open the console. So when this image will load, when I'll reload this page, after loading this image you can see the message, right? So see here, so here see image is loaded immediately and this message is printed immediately. So you can't understand the difference, right? So that's why here I have created this image by JavaScript. Now you can understand why. So here I will write a set timeout. Set timeout means I will add a time, like after completing this time this image will load. Okay, so set timeout syntax is like this, function like this. Okay, and I'll cut this one and I'll add the here, means after a particular time this image will append inside the body tag. And what is the time? So here I will write 1 second. 1 second means 1000 millisecond. So you have to write here millisecond only. If you want to add 2 seconds, so you have to write here 2000 millisecond. 2000 millisecond means 2 seconds, right? So you have to write like this. So this set, if I would write image here inside the body tag, so it is not possible to write the set timeout, and I can't show you the example and you can't see the difference, like how you can see here image is loading immediately and you can see the difference, right? So same thing would be happen if I write here. That's why I have created this image dynamically, because I will write a set timeout function and this image now will load after 1000 milliseconds. So you can see the difference right now. So now I will go to the HTML file again. So I will reload this page. See, our image is loading after 1000 millisecond, and when image is loaded properly, then this message is printed. If I increase this size, see, if I increase 4000, and now see it is loading, right? So until it is not loaded, that time not printed. If it loading completed, then it is printing. So if you can see here again, see, not printed. When it will load, then it is printed, right? So same way if you have a div, right? So now this is the image. So same way if you have the div tag or any other thing, so that time you can use this onload event. Hope it is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to solve your doubt. Even if you stuck anything, so you can send your code screenshot in my Insta ID. Insta ID will get in the description, and I will try to solve your doubt. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video. Also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.